YouTube, the video, 2009 Honda Rebel 250. It's only 9,000 miles. I got it when it had 8,000. I put 1,000 miles already on it. It runs great. Changed the oil twice already. And I added this mini bar here, engine mini bar. And you see there's a fan right there. I had that hooked up to the battery negative, and then I got a wire going to the headlights on the low beam, positive side. Because when you're sitting in traffic, you're in low beam, and that's how I turn on the fan. Or if you're just riding on the highway, you have to put it on low beam and it'll come on. Doesn't matter. The thing is to have it come on while you're sitting in traffic to keep it from overheating. It's actually a fan from a quad. It's like an 8-inch fan, and produces enough wind power as you was going 45 miles an hour. It keeps the engine cool while you're sitting in traffic, so it won't overheat. And you see I got the bars here for the right there. That's the bar for the saddlebags. Got that. And windshield. I believe it's slim. Split fire by I forgot the name, but Slim Streamer, something like Slip Streamer. But it's I got the name and the website on YouTube, so I'll put it in there. So good windshield, fits perfectly for the Rebel.